continue with my unboxing. I have more shopping from Maxx, and let's start with this. It's a nutcracker riding a horse. And how much this is? This is $12.99 and it rocks. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Now this is my third nutcracker. Let me show you the first one. It's a British card with a sword.
Well,
and I love the hat. This one is $16.99. I think this is $9.99 if I remember. So these are my 3 nutcrackers. Gonna be displayed for this Christmas. Next is this Christmas berries. This one is not snow frosted, so it's only $4.99. It's also long, like so.
I will keep you warm as soon as you.
Next is this Christmas wrapper, and it's Scottish tartan. Next is a Christmas straw, and it's oversized. The brand is redone, and this is how much? It's $12.99. It's nice and soft, and it's warm as well. In the side, it says "They're Merry." Again, my oversized Christmas throw, and this is only $12.99. A stripy long sleeve, and I thought this is black and white, but actually it's blue. I love it. It's so soft. There's more from H&M. A winter top in black color, and this is only $9.99. It's going winter, so I need some more winter top, and it's very, very cold, so yeah, I need some of this. Now, this one is a summer dress, but I love the pattern, so I have to get it. Very long. Now, these are from Primark. Isn't it pretty? I love the color. It's so soft as well. This is small size for only £6. It's turtleneck for winter, so that's good. Another one, and this is grey in color. Again from Primark, and this is only £6. And a Christmas jumper. I love it. It's just plain red with this Christmas garland in the middle. Extra small, and this is only £7. Love it. I love the design. Another one from Primark, and it's a pair of Christmas pajamas.
Well, I'm all for.
And the pair is this jumper. A jumper with a hood, so that's good. And this one is also £10. In this bag, I have more items from Primark. I'm going to hang this in the sides of the curtain, so I have 2. This is £10. It's gonna be like this with a curtain in the middle. More from Primark, and these are all Christmas ornaments. So this is a Christmas wreath, and it's gonna go in my front door. This is only £10. I think I need to add more red in this garland, just like this one. It's missing red. But yeah, only £10. Next, I have these 2 Christmas baubles. And it's huge. It's £4 for 3 pieces. I like it that it's big. I've been looking for something like this. It's that big. And this is the green. And the yellow. And then I have one more here, so I have 6 pieces. This is only $3.50, and it's 6 pieces. Let's show you how it looks like.
Well, It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and
It actually comes in 6 designs. It's all different. And the last one is this. This box is from Homebase and I ordered this online. Okay, so here we have a tabletop candle holder and the star Christmas wreath. Ooh! First of all, we have the star Christmas wreath. And it's this one. This is £15. Oh, I love it. I like it. So it's made of rattan with some berries and cone. And yeah, this is £15 and I love it. Oh, wow, perfect. It's this.
Did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as...
I need to buy candles for this. I want red candles. So this is £12 and it comes with 3 candle holders and it's gonna go in my coffee table. Which is, I totally forgot this was inside my cupboard. And this came all the way from Germany. The company's name is Poster Lounge.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
A really nice house with Christmas trees everywhere and it's a snow-filled backyard. I love it. I remember being in Finland. My last purchase is a pair of scented candles. And this is from Wilco. I don't know, I think this is £2 each. I think.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
I love it!
Moving nimbly. Did you hear something from the chimney?
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.